Okay, in the last class, we discussed we finish up to here in the last class. Okay, message passing, and here there is block send, yani maafi receive, non-block send, blocking receive, yani fee send, maafi receive, non-blocking send, non-blocking receive, yani you cannot send and you cannot receive. After this, we have addressing. So addressing is of four types. Number one, number two, number three, and number four. Number one, यानी one to one relationship, यानी one process and one yes, one sender, one receiver. Many to one, ज़्यादा यानी many sender, only one receiver. And here one sender, many receiver. Many to many यानी many sender and many receiver. Next page is the diagram. Okay, as you can see here, S yani wahid sender, wahid receiver. Many to one yani more sender, it should start from 1 and go up to n, and here one receiver. Next diagram, here one sender S1 and ज़्यादा receiver yani receiver up to n, from 1 up to n. Many to many yani more sender, yani sender start from 1 go up to n, and more receiver R1 up to Rn. In exam question like this, explain indirect process communication with the help of diagram. So this is the diagram and this is the explanation. Next is message format. In message format, you can, this is the diagram for message format. This is number one. This is number two. Yani message format is divided into two parts. Number one is the header. Number two is the body. In the header, there is Wahid message type. Okay? Destination ID, where you want to send the message, that is known as destination ID. Source ID, from where the message is sending, the source ID of the sender. Message length 8 bit, 16 bit, 32 bit, 128 bit. So this is message length. Control information, read or mumkin write. These are the control information. And second part of the message is body. So here message content. Actual message you will write here. So this is known as general message format. In exam mumkin question. Draw the diagram. What is the general format of the message? This is the general format of the message, and here is the explanation in English. Okay, same explanation like this diagram. Message format is divided into two parts. One is the header, second is the body. Header contain message type, destination ID, source ID. This body contain actual message. So this you will write in English. Next, reader writer problem. This lazim understand, very critical thing. You all have to understand this. Okay. There are number of process that only read the data and number only write the data. Yani mean reader, R-E-A-D-E-R. One is reader, another one is writer. Writer yani who will only write. Reader yani who will read. Okay. Now there are some conditions that must be satisfied. Yani these talata condition 1, 2, 3 you have to satisfy for reader writer. So condition number one, any number of reader may simultaneously read the file. This is condition number one. Let's say there is one file, R yani reader, R yani reader, R yani reader. So this file can be read by any number of any multiple reader. This is condition number one. Condition number two, only Wahid writer write at time may writer to the file. Okay, meaning is if there are more writer module and there is one malaf, then only one will write the file. Okay, because if itne two writer will write the file, then it is a problem. So if more writer, then only one writer will write the file. But if reader zyada, then no problem. Any multiple reader will read the file. Condition number 3. If writer is writing to the file, no reader may read it. Meaning is if here reader, writer, reader, writer, reader, reader, and here is your file. So if any writer is writing the file, this reader mafi shuf the file. It is not read by other reader. Okay, and if any writer is writing the file, so at that time the malak, the file is not read by the reader. Okay, so these are the talata condition. I will repeat again. Condition number one, if there is one file, any number of reader will read the file, no problem in that. Condition number two, if there is one file and more writer, then only one writer will write the file. Condition number three, if there is one file and writer module, and any one writer will write the file, then that at that time other reader mafi shuf the file, mafi read the file. These are the conditions, talata condition. All students understand this? Students, any student open mic and tell me. This is very important thing. Reader writer condition. Hello. Hello. Yes, student module or?
Yes, doctor.
Yes, doctor, yes.
Okay. Okay. Now next. Now these are the two things. Mungkin question like this. Awal uktub the talata condition for reader writer problem. Baden explain number one, reader have priority, and Baden explain writer have priority. These two things any big question. Or if only like explain reader have priority, then mungkin talata marks question in final. Okay. Now reader have priority. Now here number one. Reader have priority yani. Let's say there is one malaf and here W R W W. And if there is one malaf and there are talata writer and Wahid reader, and this talata writer awwal yani they will dakil in the system awwal then reader. So what we will do, because hada condition reader has priority, so here alatul reader will shuf the file, mafi writer. This is known as reader has priority. Again, meaning is if there is one malaf and in the system there are more writer and the writer is yani dakhil in the system gadim then reader yani lazim writer awwal, but this is reader has priority, so ala tool reader will read the file and writer have to intezar. Here condition number 1, the reader the reader process also make use of WSEM. This is very important thing, WSEM, mutual exclusion, WSEM. However, to allow multiple readers, we require that when there are no reader reading, the first reader to read must wait on WSEM. Already it is one reading substitution, then no need to wait before. Okay. Now condition number 2, global variable read count. Condition number 2, READCOUNT. This is one variable read count. Meaning is, let's say there is one file. In that file, R W मौजूद. So read count यानी for this, what is the read count? Tell me. Reader talata, writer talata. So read count यानी how many? Any student? Read count यानी how many? What is the read count? If there is one file and there are 3 writer and 3 reader, then what is the read count? Any student open mic and tell me. Speak. 3, yes, because here only 3 reader, 1 2 3, and here we have to count only the read, so here answer is 3. So condition number 1, in the Barnami we will uktub WSEM for mutual exclusion. Condition number 2, we will uktub read count to count the number of reader मौजूद in the system. Okay. Condition number 3, यानी if in the system ज़्यादा writer वाहिद receive, I will give example, file www other 1 2 यानी दाखिल वक्त 1 दाखिल वक्त 2 दाखिल वक्त 3 दाखिल वक्त 4 दाखिल वक्त 5. Now tell me which one awwal? Student open mic, any student and tell. There is one file, reader दाखिल अव्वल, बादेन sorry writer अव्वल, बादेन this writer, बादेन reader. Tell me which one will access the file? Yes, there is one file and in the system there are talata writer दाखिल वक्त अव्वल writer दाखिल वक्त 1 तानी 2 तानी 3 and writer दाखिल वक्त talata arba khamsa. So tell me this malaf is awwal read or write? Then
Right.
this is mafi, right? The reader have priority. Priority मालूम? Priority यानी अलातुल अव्वल, directly access. So here अव्वल this R3 will access. When R3 finish, tani R4. When R4 finish, then R5. If kullu reader finish, then writer. Understand? This is known as condition number talata. Okay. So condition number wahid, we will look to WSEM for mutual exclusion. Condition number 2, we will look to read count to count number of reader मौजूद in the system. Condition number talata, if there is wahid malaf and there are more reader, more writer, then lazim awwal reader, baden when kullu reader finish, then writer. Okay. This is reader have priority. So you will look to this talata condition. Now next is writer priority. So here Gadim read count. Gadim here show write count. So condition number 1, we will look to write count to count the number of writer मौजूद in the system. Condition number 2, Gadim WSEM for mutual exclusion. Hina RSEM for mutual exclusion. Condition number 3, like Gadim if Wahid Malaf and reader मौजूद here writer, then here what will happen? Tell me any student. Wahid Malaf talata writer, whoever.
Writer.
Yes, our writer. If writer this finish, Tani.
Read. Read.
Other W.
Right. Finish all.
Yes. This awwal kullu right finish, baden read. Okay, so
Yes.
this is condition number 3. So these are the talata condition that is maujood in this. Now shift this. All student from here any news question mumkin all student 0. How 0? I will tell you. WSEM is used to enforce mutual exclusion in dash have majority. Number A read, number B. Now tell me what is the answer. This is the question. WSEM
Excellent, sir.
WSEM yani code is used to enforce mutual exclusion in dash have priority. Option A read, option B write. I will write again. Wait. WSEM is used to enforce the other सवाल. What is the answer? Tell me. Number A read, number B write. Now tell me. I know all student cannot answer this question. WSEM. Yes, student tell me. Understand this question or not?
doctor.
In the Gadim, I write here WSEM for mutual exclusion. यानी this WSEM मौजूद in reader have priority. Yes, reader have priority. Now question is WSEM same this is used to enforce mutual exclusion in dash have priority. Option A reader have priority. Option 2 writer.
No عندي لسه رضا.
Okay, wait. Okay, if question this here. Wait. Okay. Now tell me WSEM same मौजूद ही ना this आधा यानी
Yes.
inclusion. So this kullu मौजूद in fen. Reader have priority. So shuf hina dash have priority. So hina yani answer is
Great.
option A मौजूद read. Option B मौजूद write. Answer is A. Now I will change the question. Now I uktub RSEM. Now answer is same question. Yes. Tell me.
Right.
Option is Sufina मौजूद. Okay. RSEM. Understand? Writer has
Right.
yes, right is the answer. So these are the two questions mumkin note marks, and I will assume you all student will get 0 in this because this is lazim understanding. Okay, so this finish.